Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 11 business mathematics class. We have completed our third chapter as well as in fourth chapter trigonometry. We have learned the first exercise. I hope all of you learned all the formulas and problems in that. So we have completed in the last class. So today we are going to start our next section in our fourth chapter, 4.2 exercise. The heading is trigonometric ratios of compound angles. Trigonometric ratios of compound angles. So I am saying I am going to give 6 formulas. Take down your books. I think the page number will be different in your book. Take down your book. The 6 formulas you need to learn and you need to take down to your notes also. Understand? Put the heading sum and difference formula of sine, cosine and tangent. Sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B, tan A plus B, tan A minus B. The 6 formulas you need to by heart. Understand? Sin A plus B means sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B means sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos of A plus B means cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B means cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Tan A plus B means tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B plus divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. 3 formulas are basic formula. Then addition formula, if you know once, that subtraction only there will be a sign change. Understand? So A plus B, here it will be plus means here it will be minus. Then cos A plus B, here it will be minus, here it will be plus. That's a slight difference. You just go through that difference and you learn it, then it will be very easy for you. So it's the 6 formulas we are going to use in this sections. Understand? Okay. Let's move to the problem directly. Example 4.6. If cos A equal to 4 by 5 and cos B equal to 12 by 13, 3 pi by 2 less than A comma B less than 2 pi, find the value of first Roman sin A minus B, second one cos A plus B. Okay, if cos A equal to 4 by 5, cos B equal to 12 by 13, find the value of sin A minus B cos A plus B. Okay, you know the formulas, right? So we are going to use the solution first. Since what's the range they gave? 3 pi by 2 less than A comma B less than 2 pi. Okay, so which quadrant this both lies? So you need to find. So 3 pi by 2 means what's the meaning? 3 into 180 by 2, correct? So it is 270. Then 2 pi means 2 into 180, that is 360. So both the values also lies in which quadrant? Which quadrant? Fourth quadrant, correct? So you know that and all I have taught in first one. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So here 0 to 90 degree, here 90 to 180 degree, here 180 to 270 degree, here 270 to 360 degree. So this lies in fourth quadrant. Understand? So now, so here in the both also lies in both A and B lie in fourth quadrant. Okay, fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant all silver T cups. So in fourth quadrant cos alone and its reciprocal is positive. So first Roman we are going to do sin A minus B. So sin A and sin B are negative, correct? Sin B are negative. Okay, so cos and its reciprocal alone, it will be positive in fourth quadrant. So two values they given, cos A equal to 4 by 5, cos B equal to 12 by 13. Okay, so we need to find the sin value first. So sine A, if we need sine A, if you consider one small right triangle, angle as A. So cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse, so 4 by 5. So this side if we need means sine A. So how will you find? How will you find? Hypotenuse square we can use, otherwise you can use the formula. So sine square A, I have taught you the formula. What's the formula? 1 minus cos square A. So you can use this method, otherwise this method, both also correct. So sine square A, what's the formula? 1 minus cos square A. Is it right? So sine A, if we need means what will we do? Square root of 1 minus cos A. Here I said sine A will be negative. So there will be a negative sign. So minus square root of 1 minus 4 by 5 the whole square. That's equal to minus of 1 minus 4 square means 16 by 25. That's equal to minus of 25 minus 16 by 25. So how much you will get? Minus of 9 by 25. So take down outside, that will be minus 3 by 5. So this is a value for sine A. Next what you need to do? We need to find sine B. Okay, so same as this you need to find sine B. So sine B equal to sine square B. What's the formula? 1 minus cos square B. So sine B if we need means negative symbol. Sine both A and B are negative. So minus of 1 minus cos square B. That's equal to minus of 1 minus cos B. What's the formula? 12 by 13. Square it. So that's equal to minus of 1 minus 144 by 169. That's equal to minus of 169 minus 144 divided by 169. That's equal to minus of 25 by 169. What's the answer? Minus 5 by 13. This is a value for sine B. Now you have found out all the sine A and sine B. So what we need to do? We need to find sine A minus B as well as cos A plus B. So you are going to find both. Okay. So first Roman sine A minus B. What's the formula for sine A minus B? Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Substitute in the formula. Sine A, what's the value? Minus 3 by 5. Cos B, 12 by 13. Minus cos A, 4 by 5. Cos sine B, minus 5 by 13. Simplify everything. That's equal to minus 336 by 5 into 15, 13 is 65. Minus into minus plus 20 by 65. Add it, you will get minus 16 by 65. This is answer for first Roman. Second Roman, what's the question? Cos of A plus B. What's the formula for cos A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, so cos A, what's the value? 4 by 5 into 12 by 13 minus 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 13. Multiply 48 by 65 minus 15 by 65. So what's the answer? 33 by 65. This is the answer. Understand, students? Very easy. You need to understand. Okay. So here first you need to find which quadrant. Then what are the values are negative. Afterwards sin square theta, we know the formula. Use that and find out the two values. Afterwards you use the formula. The 6 formula I taught today. So that 6 formulas you learn it, and afterwards you start to learn this. Then only it will be easy. Otherwise you will feel very difficult. Understand, students? Okay. So we will move to our next question. Before that, now itself I am giving the homework for you. Your homework is third problem. Okay. So same problem like this one. I am giving one homework for you today. So your homework is exercise 4.2 problem number 3. Same as this problem. Okay. Will you do same as this question? Will you do? Okay. Try to complete it. Okay. Let's move to next example. One more example. We will do it now. Example Example. Example 4.7. Okay, example 4.7. Find the values of each of the following trigonometric ratios. Each of the following trigonometric ratios. First one is sine 15 degree. Second one is cos of minus 105 degree. Third one is tan 75 degree. Fourth one is minus secant of 165 degree. Okay. So solution sine 15 degree. So this one we need to make it in a form of sine A minus B or sine A plus B. So sine A minus B means how will you change this? Sine of one angle must be known angle, that is 45 degree minus 30 degree. Okay. So that's equal to sine A minus B. You can use the formula here. What's the formula for sine A minus B? If you need, you write it one time. Sine A minus B. What's the formula? Sine A minus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. You can use this formula here. So sine A means sine 45 degree, cos B means cos 30 degree, minus cos A means cos 45 degree, sine B means sine 30 degree. Understand? So these two angles must be a known angle. So you know 60 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree and 90 degree value. So according to that you need to split as A minus B or A plus B and substitute in the formula. So sine 45 degree 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2 equal to simplify 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Add it. So root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2 is the answer. Okay. So this is first one. Second one is cos minus 105 degree. So how we will split this? Cos of minus theta, what's the formula? You have learned in last section. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So that's equal to cos 105 degree. So we are going to split this. Cos of 60 degree plus 45 degree. So cos A plus B formula we can use. What's the formula for cos A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. If we know all the 6 formulas, you can do very easier. So you can substitute here cos 60 degree, cos 45 degree minus sin 60 degree, sin 45 degree. Substitute all the values. 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 minus root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2. You know all the values. Multiply 1 by 2 root 2 minus root 3 by 2 root 2. That's equal to 1 minus root 3 by 2 root 2. Understand, student? Okay. Then third one. Third Roman is tan 75 degree. So how will you change this? Tan of 45 plus 30 degree. So you know the formula for tan A plus B. What's the formula for tan A plus B? Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So substitute here tan A, that is tan 45 degree plus tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan 45 degree, tan 30 degree. Substitute ma, tan 45 degree 1 plus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 into 1 by root 3. That's equal to 1 plus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3. Simplify. Root 3 is the LCM. So root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. Correct? So both the terms will get cancelled. You will get root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. If you need, you can simplify. Otherwise, you can leave as it is. What's the conjugate? Root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. If you need, you can do. Otherwise, you leave it as it is. Okay, don't put mistake. So root 3 plus 1 the whole square divided by root 3 the whole square minus 1 square. So a plus b the whole square, what's the formula? A square plus 2 root 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. So 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. So 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. 2 is common. So 2 plus root 3 divided by 2. So answer is 2 plus root 3. This all the things you have learned in 9th standard. Is it right? So this and all you know. Rationalizing the denominator. That only I have did. Understand? So if you need, you can do this. Otherwise you can leave as it is. Maybe 1 mark or half mark they will reduce. So if you don't know means please don't go through that. But it's very easy. 9th standard you have learned rationalizing the denominator. Understand students? Okay. One more example. Last part is there. So that also we will complete now. Okay. So finally cos 165 degree. The question is the question is minus secant 165 degree. Okay. So we don't know the formula for secant 165 degree. Whether you know the formula or don't know. So what's the reciprocal of secant? Cos. So you need to find the value of cos. Afterwards you can change it as reciprocal. Okay. So you can find cos 165 degree. You will have it out, ma'am. Why? Secant only in the question they asked now why you are finding cos. So you don't know the formula for reciprocal ratios. Only you know the formula for fundamental ratios. So we can find cos 165. So what will you get? Cos of 180 minus 15. You can change like this. So cos of 180 minus theta means minus cos theta. So how will you change this? Minus of cos into 60 minus 45. So you can use cos A minus B formula. So minus it will be outside. Cos A minus B, what's the formula? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, sin A sin B. So substitute minus 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 plus root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2. That's equal to minus of 1 by 2 root 2 plus root 3 by 2 root 2. So what's the answer? Minus of 1 plus root 3 by 2 root 2. Okay. So now you know the value, need the value for secant 165. That's equal to 1 by the value. Okay. So here 1 minus is there, here also minus, so that will be changed. So 1 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Take it as reciprocal. 2 root 2 divided by 1 plus root 3. Take down the conjugate. 1 minus root 3, 1 minus root 3. So how much you will get? 2 root 2 into 1 minus root 3 divided by 1 square minus root 3 the whole square. This you know already. So 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 into root 3. 1 minus 3. So you will get the answer as minus 2. Correct? 2 you can take outside. So 2 root 2 you can take outside. So 1 minus root 3 divided by minus 2. So what will happen? This 2 and 2 will cancel. So what will you get? Root 2. This minus you can bring it here. So I will write the answer as root 3 minus 1. This minus if you are bringing and if you are multiplying inside, you will get root 3 minus 1. Understand students? So this is rationalizing. So how we will have it out? This minus I brought numerator. Okay. So when you are multiplying with minus, what will you get? Minus 1 minus plus root 3. So I got changed and I wrote. Okay. So I hope you got it. So I think one more problem you can do. Okay. Exercise 4.2 first problem also home. So take down the homework. Exercise 4.2 problem number 1 and 3. Problem number 1 is same as this question. Okay. So 3 first we have completed. So we have completed up to example 4.7. First Roman and third Roman is your homework. So don't forget to do the homework. So we will start from example 4.8 in our next class. Okay students, be safe.